Hey guys, welcome back, and today we will learn about variables in JavaScript. Let's get it. What are variables in JavaScript? A variable is a placeholder for a value in programming. It is like x and y in algebra. We can use it to store a value. In JavaScript, we can store values of different data types in a variable. For example, strings, integers, or booleans. We will learn about data types in upcoming videos. But for now, a string is a piece of text, an integer is a whole number, and a boolean is a true or false value. We can store them all in a variable. Before we learn about variables, we need to learn about variable declarations. Variable declarations are simply keywords that dictate how a variable behaves in the code. They are written before the variable itself. There are three types: let, var, and const. Now, you can write a variable straight up without any declaration, but it is very discouraged. It makes your variable global and makes it harder to maintain your code. Just use a variable declaration. With that in mind, we can learn about the first type of declaration. The let declaration creates a variable you can change, but only within a specific block of code. Using this, we can create a variable, but later reassign another value to the variable. But we must remember that it makes the variable's reach block level, meaning that we can only access it with a block. A block is a piece of code enclosed within curly braces. It's like our variable is stuck within its wall, aka the curly braces. The next variable declaration is var. It creates a variable you can change anywhere in the code. But if it is inside a function, then anywhere inside the function, not globally. Unlike the let declaration, var allows the variable to be accessed beyond the block, globally. However, if it is inside a function, which we will learn about, then it can be accessed anywhere within the function, not globally. It's like saying that the var variable declaration is stuck with bigger walls, aka function. But if it is not inside big walls, it is free for the entire program. And last, we have the const declaration. It creates a variable you cannot change. It is also a block scope like let. With this, we can write variables that we don't intend to change in our program, like the value of pi. But if we try, we will run into an error. Here is a note. When writing a const variable, it is recommended to write your variable in all caps. This lets other programmers know that they are dealing with an unchangeable variable. However, it is not necessary. Your program runs fine without it. The const variable declaration is also limited to its block or curly braces, just like the let declaration. This means that we can't use it outside a block in our code. With all of that in mind, we can finally learn how to create a variable in JavaScript. To create a variable, we need to first write the variable declaration and then our variable on a single line. This process is called declaration. On a different line, we can finally assign our variable to a value. This process is called assignment. Or we can do both steps on the same line. First, write the variable declaration, then the variable, and finally your value after an equal sign. And done. That's how you make a variable in JavaScript. That's it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.